Bitch, what the fuck? The Popo's
sila.
here.
Sino ba naman kasi nagsabi mag-party tayo tonight?
Touchdown back here with my brother after more than a decade. And it's like my 5th time here and it's his 2nd time. Touchdown Hong Kong. Forever and ever. Oh my god, you're such a mom. Hi guys!
Breakfast with the family in the morning.
Walking the streets of Pottinger with our little baby. No, we're not homos. We're sisters. Yeah, sisters. Are you a sister?
Baby, look, oh, there's duck.
Wow. Photo. Hi, Anna.
Bottle, Oh, pero yung sabi ko, kaya sana pala hindi nakatabi nila ng ticket.
Chewy. Is he gonna bite me?
No.
Go. Yay. Oh, it's so
Good job, see? Can I pet him
Yeah,
too?
this is what you do. This is what you do.
There's a lot of saliva. It's so
Hand.
Alam mo lahat na lang ng role namin. Every time we find a seat, we have to sit. Because we're old.
We're titas.
Tintin! Hindi na lang kami binigyan ng ano. Ah, ito pala utensils. Spoon, fork. Oh, hindi ko makuha sa ulam ko. Nasaan pasita?
Masyadong matagal yung pork na sila. Sam, sana gumana rin sa kanila.
Right. Now I have to mute this.
Malamig po sa Baguio. Sino ba naman kasi nagsabi mag-party tayo tonight? Ang tanga lang, di ba?
Bitch, what the fuck? The Popo's here. Hangin na, what the fuck?
Puta ka.
Today is Disney Day with the fam. It's Frankie's birthday. Tada! Happy birthday! No empty seats for us.
We're so kawawa naman. Train to ano na pala to? Train to Busan.
Yay, let's go!
Eh, nung bato sana kung nakaupo tayo doon dyan, tapos walang tao. Nakaupo lang tayo. Sakit ang masakit pa. Kailangan pa bumaba. Kasi sayang yung ano natin. True. Early bus natin. Tapos ba siya?
Yay!
Told myself I'm not gonna cry. But I'm already crying.
Prepared? Let's go! Frozen Ever After, again and again. Shit, ang sapatos natin. That's us.
Oh my gosh, my highlight is so good.
Really. Guys.
Am I right, Ben? I
Wow!
是机真的完美啦！
Ayun na yun. What did Queen Elsa say to you? She said, happy? Mom! It's your birthday? Happy birthday, Elsa Frankie! Kishe! And then, it's me and Olaf. Hi guys! Mag-hi din kayo! Hi guys!
Passing passengers at like extended station or final stop entry station.
Para hindi din siya masyado mainitan. Lunchtime! Hey guys! Bago eat lunch! Nagkakain natin. From last night pa, tapos di pa ako kumain after, di ba? Tapos nag-ice cream tayo for breakfast, tama ba yun? Tatanungin pa kita, tapos biglang ako pala yung ano. Para sa akin, oo, tama yun. Tapos biglang ako pala yung di okay. Oo, nainom ka na. Ha? Yung paper, tataas mo, ganito.
Parang tama.
Alam mo naman pala, akala ko nagtatanong ka.
Tinatingnan ko lang.
Ang sad naman, akala ko fries yung kasama nung sa akin, potato chips.
Grabe yung dito mo dalawa.
Akala ko grabe yung suso mo, dalawa.
Kaya pala, di ba yung mukha mo?
Oo. Oh my gosh, ang bigat din kasi ng pants at ang laki. Gusto, kaya inuna ko natin mag-picture. Picture ko mag-picture. Kaya okay na inuna na natin para tapos na. Masala ko. Kasi never had it. So parang, ayun. So sobrang sad. Like, why can't I be chosen? Diba? Bawal. Nakwento mo pa naman lahat yun. Oh my God. So, ayun. So, ayun. So, yeah, that's the story. So, parang mahal ka naman yung talaga hindi naiwan. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, oo. Oh my God. Yun yung ayoko mangyari. Woohoo! Grizzly Mountain. Grizzly Bear. Grizzly Mountain. My boobs! What the Oh my God!
Oh my God!
My boobs!
Oh my God!
So hot. Paatras to. Hindi to paharap. Paatras siya.
Ano?
Hindi ko na alam. May ganito rin kasi sa Shanghai tsaka sa Japan. Scared, alright? So scared. Got my drink ko. Yay!
May gusto ka ba eh?
Good secured. Hi guys. Ems. The observation view. The view. Let's go.
那我感觉也没啥好看。我以为你说坐到对面去。